Hey guys, so today we are back again with our another list for great keywords to target on Redbubble. So let's start our research. Let's go. So our first keyword is Leo P. Let's see. Leo P. So from what I can see, Leo P is, I hope it's not related to Leonardo DiCaprio because that thing will be copyrighted. So Leo P is related to, okay, so he's a musician. This guy's a musician. DOP. I think I have seen this name somewhere. Let me just do a Google search before we can basically decide if this. Okay, this is a music performer. Some people have created something related to him, and from what I can see, the designs are not necessarily copyright. You know, because it's not gonna affect the copyright laws like that because it's not damaging that much. As we can see, they are not necessary. This one could have some issues, but these designs are good. These you can easily create these designs and not have any issues. And these are posters. Now for posters, my recommendation is always check for copyright. Don't go crazy with these posters because you can have some issues. So let's just check for best selling. Okay, so this is the first one, frame poster. So let's check out this particular product. Okay, $119.94, not on the cheaper side, definitely. And this is small. Okay, so maybe these are the sizes, these are the prices for Redbubble, so no issue. Okay, let's see. So this person has joined in 2015. As I always say, the older your account, the better chances you have to rank. Look at this, 21 designs. So this person is ranking with just 21 designs, and designs are not that great either. It's like, and look at this, B movie design. Oh my, these are copyrighted stuff. So anyways, this was the design. So Leo P, my recommendation is, it's kind of a risky topic to go, but yeah, if you create something that is something like this or something like this, you will be good. Don't use the name, don't use the name, because there is a chance, and in copyright, the if you create a design and it sells just because of the likeliness of the person, that's this person can, this particular artist or his team can claim this design anytime. And these are good, these designs are good. So anyways, these are the designs for this particular keyword. Let's go to the next one. Next is Andrew Weatherall. Okay, let's see. Andrew Weatherall. Okay, so let's search on Google too. Okay, so Andrew Weatherall is a musician, died in 2020. Okay, so this is why this particular topic is in the trending. So this person has died and people are creating designs. Now, I myself is not necessarily very appreciative of these things because, and look, the results are 30, just 30 results, so it's not that crazy either. But yeah, my recommendation is, if you want to create it, but don't create it with his name. Create something related to his music. If he's a musician, let's check what he does. What kind of music he do? Just go on his Wikipedia page. Musician, songwriter, producer, mixer. So what kind of genre he creates? Like whatever genre he creates, like just try to relate, like make relatable design. Don't just copy someone's face or name just for the sake of their likability or whatever, because that's straight up copyright infringement. So, and these posters, I think they are okay. But yeah, transformative work, you have to take in consideration that you are basically using their likeness. And yeah, and on the top of that, creating designs based on someone's death, I don't really, yeah, I don't like that. So, and I've seen this for DMX too. When DMX died, there are many designs, and DMX was basically, people were creating designs in bulk and just everything. It was trending. It was a trending keyword on Redbubble, and not very good look for Redbubble to say the least. So let's go to the next one. Horror movie keychain. Okay, kind of a weird keyword. Let's see. Loading. Okay, horror movie keychain. Let's search for best selling. Let's search here. So okay, so the keychains are like this. Uh, so it's not something that, not necessarily. I don't know why this keyword is on Redbubble trend, but apparently some people are tagging this keyword. So in the world is Wonderland. It's weird, very weird. So let's just check out the top selling design. Let's see what's going on here. And there's same design is ranking for 3 places. Same design. So basically this person just maybe just changed the name or something. Let's see what this person has done. Let's just open all 3 of them and let's check out what's going on here. Okay. So let's check out the tags because this thing ranked for our keyword. And why is that? Hmm. Weird. None of the product tags, kids t-shirt. So let's just check out this particular keyword then. Clearly this has got 31 results, so let's just check out this particular keyword. Let's see what this keyword is about. Oh, found that. Okay, let's see. So Willy's Wonderland. Hmm, interesting. It's a Nicolas Cage movie. Okay, so kids t-shirt, kids t-shirt. It is the same design. This person has created 3 copies of this design. Let's just check out their profile, shall we? Let's check out their profile. So this person is from Washington, United States. Let's see. So they got 121 designs. Nicolas Cage. So this particular design, I have seen this design on John Oliver. John Oliver bought a pillow of this same design. Maybe the background was different, but it was the same design. The banana Nicolas Cage design, Nicolas Cage related. Okay, so this is something related to Nicolas Cage. The movie was some Nicolas Cage movie. Okay. So whatever the case is, do I recommend getting into this niche? You can, if you can get it into a transformative level where it goes around the whole copyright thing and basically goes out of the realm of copyright. So you have to take that in consideration. But the niche is good. Let's just do one more thing. Let's check out this particular keyword. 334. Okay, so there are many of them. So my recommendation is go with this keyword. For some reason this design is ranking for this keyword. And guys, okay, so before we move further, just don't forget to like and subscribe because these things really help and motivates me to create new videos. Okay, so let's just go to the next one. XRP sec. So this is why I find these rare keywords, because most of the time when you find the direct keywords you will not see them, and these keywords are basically people are searching for them. If and they, okay, so let's see. XRP sec. What is it? 57 designs. People are searching for them and somebody is creating and tagging. That's why it's showing for the results. There is no way, or there if nobody is using these keywords there will be no results. So There are 57, and let's see. Okay, so XRP sec. So let's see. What is it? What is XRP sec? So okay, it's related to Ripple. Ripple, let's say some IPO. Ripple, what is it? Some sort of crypto? IPO, it's an IPO. Okay. Yeah, okay. So people are creating designs on this. So let's check out the top selling design. What they're selling 1826. Popeye. Copyright stuff. Popeye. Okay. Do not create designs like these guys. This person is using Popeye for design, and that's not good. I don't know how people are basically getting these designs and basically selling them, because the facilities of Redbubble, don't they check the designs when they create them? I don't know. This person is from Romania. Should we check out their profile? I don't think so, because it's already copyrighted. It's a no-no for us. Whenever we see anything copyrighted, we stay away. That's just basic understanding. So if you want to create something related to Ripple, create something like this. I would buy something like this. It's really nice. This one is nice. This one is nice. This one, okay, something to spaceship. There is a spaceship in the design. So okay. So these to the moon, to the moon. This one is nice. And this person has joined very fairly early, fairly new, not early, fairly new. And this is like 2021. So this year. So it's really nice that this person has got his design ranking on number 2 for a keyword which is rare but not that rare. It's like 57 results, and these results will grow, because after this video whoever will watch it and take action. So Ripple, XRP, SEC. So let's go to the next one. So this is gonna be the last keyword for this video, and I will release the next one, part 2, the next 5. So please subscribe. And I don't like asking for subscription many times. It's just the thing is that subscription really helps to grow the channel. So Nick Terry. So Nick Terry, 36 results. Let's search Nick Terry. Okay, what is Nick Terry? Nick Terry, model animations. Okay, ooh, interesting. This person is what? Some sort of animator? It's a weird keyword. Let's check out the best selling. Never, just to roll. Oh, it's okay. This is a keyword. Interesting. The speaker is okay, but let's just check out the tags. This person is from US. Let's just check out the tags. NBC. NBC is in the tag. Jesus Christ. Now, I mean, I guess you can use these Aziz Ansari. These are all copyrighted. Tom and Jerry, Ben and Jerry's. I think this is some auto-generated tags. These are not. I'm pretty sure these are auto-generated tags. So whatever the case is, apparently this person has got his design rank number 1. So let's just check out their profile. Mm, 43 designs. Well, these stickers are really simple, by the way. So just so you know. And I think I've created a tutorial on how to create stickers like these. You can check out on the channel, and if you can find it, or if you want me to create another one, feel free to put it in the comment and I will gladly make another tutorial. So these are some sticker designs, some pattern designs. Okay, most relevant. Let's check out best selling for this account, because it's just nothing crazy. It's like 43 designs. So this is the best selling one. What we found here is best selling one right now. here too. So this particular design is selling a lot. My recommendation is use the same design. I mean, not design, sorry. Do not use the same design. Just use the words if it is not copyrighted. So let's just, I think it's not copyrighted, but yeah. Or just do one thing. Don't use the design or this. Just go for search for this particular keyword, Nick Terry, and so this is basically something related to Ron Johnson Park Recreation Court by Ronnie Joyner. This is the title, Parks and Recreation Court. So let's just search for this. Okay, so it's related to Office. Now I have never seen this show, so I think it's related to Office. No, it's Ron Johnson. So let's just check out what it is. Ron Johnson. Parks and Recreation. Okay, my bad. It's Parks and Recreation. So these are the codes. Now, should you use these codes? Just use them with caution. And once you start to get some sales, and if you have no issues with these codes, then you will be good. Just use them with caution, because at the end of the day, this is somebody else's character. This is some character whose codes are being used, and Parks and Recreation is the show. Let me just confirm this. And I'm really sorry, guys. I don't know this show. If it's a really famous show, my bad. It's just okay. 8.6 on IMDb, 93% Rotten Tomatoes. Maybe I will watch this show. Looks like a good rating. So okay, let's just check out. Okay, Rock. I don't want to do that. No, just okay. Raw songs and codes. Yeah, only one thing I heard online is okay. So the codes are funny, and you can use them. Clearly, people are using these codes, but on Redbubble, you never know. These could be copyrighted trademarks. So I think Ron Johnson codes, you can use these codes if you wanna, and I think you will be fine. So this is all for these keywords, and what else? Okay, let's just check out here. So Leo P was some person's name. Andrew Weatherwall. So horror movie keychain was a weird one. XRP like these two are really good. Andrew Weatherhall. So what we found on Andrew Weatherhall. Okay, let's just, so I can basically check it one more time. So if I'm not getting confused, I think it was some person. Okay, yeah. So Andrew Weatherhall acrylic. So you can use it if you go around creative and use his music related something. Don't just use his name. Don't just use his picture and just create some poster out of it and try to sell it. Or even if you want to create a poster, at least make justifiable changes. Like don't just put these. Like this could be issue for you. So anyway, I think these are the, I would go with two: horror movie keychain, XRP sec. Nick Terry is okay, not nothing crazy, but yeah, Leo P, stay away from the Leo P keyword. So this was the keywords for these keywords were for this video, and that's all there is to it. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, because I keep sharing keywords and basically trending topics for you guys to create designs with, and that's all there is to it. So thank you very much. Thank you.